Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that every single one of your passwords, your Facebook, your Instagram, even your bank account, could be cracked in just seconds. Scary, right? Well, inside Kali Linux, there are tools powerful enough to do exactly that. Today, I'm going to show you 5 of the most dangerous password cracking tools that ethical hackers use, and why you need to know about them. This video is made for educational purposes only. The tools and techniques discussed are used by cybersecurity professionals for penetration testing and securing systems. I do not encourage or condone illegal activities of any kind. Using these tools to gain unauthorized access to accounts, networks, or devices is against the law and can lead to serious consequences. Always practice ethical hacking on systems you own or have explicit permission to test. Now, before we dive in, let's make something clear. Kali Linux is not your regular operating system like Windows or Mac. It's a special system built for cybersecurity professionals, hackers, and researchers. Comes preloaded with hundreds of hacking and security tools. Think of it as a giant toolbox for testing how strong or how weak your digital security really is. 1. John the Ripper. First, let's start with John the Ripper. Don't let the scary name fool you. It's one of the most popular tools for cracking passwords. Here's how it works. Imagine you have a locked box, and John tries different keys from a huge bunch until one fits. It works especially well with weak or common passwords, and it can test passwords against lists of known weak ones, like 123,456, or password. For beginners, this is often the first tool to explore because it's simple yet powerful. Now here's the good news. John the Ripper comes pre-installed on Kali Linux. But if you're on Windows, macOS, or any other Linux distribution, you can also download it from its official website or repositories. So no matter what OS you're on, John is available for you to test and learn. Next up is Hydra. While John the Ripper is good for cracking files and local system passwords, Hydra is all about network logins. Think about trying to break into a Wi-Fi router, a website login, or an FTP server. Hydra tries username and password combinations really fast until it finds the right one. It's like someone at a door trying thousands of keys in seconds. That's Hydra. But again, this should only be used for ethical purposes, like testing your own systems to see if your logins are too weak. Hydra is also pre-installed in Kali Linux, which makes it super convenient. But if you're using Windows or macOS, you can install it as well. It just takes a bit of setup. Still, on Kali, it's ready to go right out of the box. Now, let's talk about the beast Hashcat. If passwords were superheroes, Hashcat would be their supervillain. What makes it different is speed. Unlike John or Hydra, Hashcat uses your computer's graphics card, GPU, to speed up the process, testing billions of guesses in seconds. This means if your password is something short or common, Hashcat will crack it like snapping fingers. That's why strong passwords, with symbols, numbers, and long phrases, are so important. Unlike John or Hydra, Hashcat doesn't always come pre-installed on Kali Linux, but you can easily install it with one command. And here's the best part. Hashcat works on Linux, macOS, and Windows. That means no matter which system you're on, you can try it out. Hey guys, if you've enjoyed this video to this point, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. These videos take quite a lot of time to make, so if you could help me out, I'll love you forever. On this channel, I upload videos about ethical hacking and hacking documentaries like famous hacks, hackers and groups, criminal hacking, and many more. Medusa. At number 4, we've got Medusa. Similar to Hydra, but the focus here is efficiency. Medusa is designed to attack multiple accounts at the same time. Imagine checking not just one locked door but a whole row of them all at once. That's what Medusa does. It's super fast and very handy for testing security across large networks. Like Hydra, Medusa comes pre-installed with Kali Linux, so you don't have to set it up manually. For other systems like Windows or macOS, you'd need to compile and install it yourself, which can be a bit tricky for beginners. But on Kali, it's just there, ready to use. And finally, Crunch. Now, this one's a little different. Crunch doesn't crack passwords directly. Instead, it creates password lists. For example, if you think someone's password is their pet's name followed by a number, Crunch can generate all possible combinations for you. When you use Crunch with other tools like Hydra or John the Ripper, it becomes very powerful. Think of it as building the dictionary before you start guessing the words. Crunch is also pre-installed in Kali Linux, so you can use it right away. On other Linux systems, you can install it manually. For Windows and macOS, it's available too, but you'll need to download and compile it yourself. So those are the top 5 password cracking tools in Kali Linux. As you can see, each one has a special role, from cracking files to breaking network logins to generating smart word lists. But remember, these tools are not toys. They are meant for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and learning cybersecurity. Using them to hack into accounts that aren't yours is illegal and can get you into serious trouble. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, which of these tools would you like me to make a full tutorial on next?